Hi, my name is Francois. People call me Frank. I'm a family man. These are my kids, Philippe and Jacques, and my wife Pilaf. I finally got fed up with all the high gas prices, so I decided to do something about it. I was browsing the web and found an informative website called fuelfreedom.org. They make it really easy for dogs like me to understand things like the advantages of ethanol, methanol, natural gas, and electricity as replacement fuels. Since I drive a gas guzzler, I was intrigued. After doing some research, I went to my local car dealer and checked out alternative vehicles. I traded in my old gas guzzler for a new hybrid electric vehicle. Now I'm helping to preserve the environment, and with the money saved, I can go on vacations with my family.